Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a portable monitor from a brand called ARZOPA. The specs are quite incredible. I'm gonna tell you guys the specs just in a second, but for now let's have a look at the box. So the brand logo on the front. We have a nice speech text right here, alive with the mobile life. Have some specs right here, or more like what the company offers. So lifetime customer support, 30-day return exchange guarantee, 12-month warranty service, and 24/7 online support. If you need any support, just scan this QR code. It will take you to their website or their email, and they will be more than glad to help you. It's a 16.1 inches 144 hertz portable monitor. It usually connects with USB Type-C, but I'm gonna show you guys in a second. So yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what's inside the box. Let's go ahead, open it. We're gonna have a look at what we get, and after that we're going to put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright guys, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. Let's start with the small stuff as always. So we have a warranty card right here with the same QR code that will take you to their customer support, which is really great. Some frequently asked questions right here. We also have a user guide with pictures, and I suggest give this a read to understand what this monitor can do and how to connect it to your desired device. They gave us a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. This is used to connect the monitor directly to, for example, a GPU with a USB Type-C, your motherboard, stuff like that, maybe your phone as well. We have a USB Type-A to USB Type-C and a mini HDMI to HDMI cable to connect it to a regular graphics card that only has HDMI, or any mini PC that has HDMI, for example your Xbox. These two work together, so this will provide power and this will provide video, while this cable, I'm pretty sure, will provide power and video data in the same time. It's what I am going to use. So let's have a look at the monitor now. I have some specs right here, and as I told you, they're quite impressive. So 144 Hz IPS display, HDR technology, 1080p Full HD, ultralight Type-C HDMI, and ultra portable. On the back right here we have a stand that can be collapsed. It has a rubber feet on the bottom so it doesn't rub against anything, and basically you can stand in like this, which is very handy because they don't come with a VESA mount, and most of them do not come with their own stand. This is really clever. On the side right here we have the HDMI port, USB Type-C, and another USB Type-C. On the top, on the same side, we have a on and off button, adjust the brightness and adjust the volume, and a OSD to access the menu. On the other side we have nothing. Pretty much it's a really clean design, and yeah, basically that's it. That's what you get inside the box. And now let's go ahead and connect it to our PC and put it to the test. Alright, so this is how the display looks like when it's all connected according to the device manual. It just works. It's connected to my graphics card through HDMI with the cable they included, and I'm powering the display with a regular power bank, or you can just plug it into your USB Type-C port. It depends on your PC and the power delivery it can support. But I want to show you guys the specs. The specs are really what they say on the box. So we got 1920 by 1080 at 144 Hz, so it supports the 144 Hz refresh rate. If you got a good graphics card and you want to play games at 144 FPS on a 144 Hz refresh rate display, this is the one for it. It can also connect to your phone. For example, a Samsung phone, it will support DeX. You can play cloud games like Nvidia Shadow Play, or whatever the name was, and Xbox Game Pass Cloud. You can play games straight on this from your phone. All you have to do is just connect it to your phone, and of course have an active subscription for that. But yeah, it's really great. I love how it looks. It just works. I love the stand. Not a lot of manufacturers have a built-in stand on their displays. It's really handy. If you're streaming, you can have it vertically, as I said, so you can basically read your chat, whatever you want to do. If not, have it horizontally, just like so, and it will do just fine. So yeah, pretty much that's it with the display. It's great, it works. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.